Всем привет! Это 21 часть курса 5000 английских слов. Приятного просмотра!
Necklace.
necklace,
Ожерелье.
She wore a beautiful necklace.
she wore a beautiful necklace.
Она носила красивое ожерелье.
Behavior.
Behavior,
Поведение.
His behavior changed over time.
his behavior changed over time.
Его поведение изменилось со временем.
Profit.
Profit,
Прибыль.
The company made a profit.
the company made a profit.
Компания получила прибыль.
Snowboarding.
Snowboarding,
Катание на сноуборде.
We enjoy snowboarding every winter.
we enjoy snowboarding every winter.
Мы катаемся на сноуборде каждую зиму.
Tourist.
Tourist,
Турист.
The tourist asked for directions.
the tourist asked for directions.
Турист спросил дорогу.
Illness.
Illness,
Болезнь.
Her illness worried the family.
her illness worried the family.
Ее болезнь беспокоила семью.
Weigh.
Weigh,
Взвешивать.
Please weigh the suitcase carefully.
please weigh the suitcase carefully.
Пожалуйста, взвесь чемодан внимательно.
Science.
Science,
Наука.
Science helps us understand nature.
science helps us understand nature.
Наука помогает нам понимать природу.
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction,
Удовлетворение.
He felt satisfaction after success.
he felt satisfaction after success.
Он почувствовал удовлетворение после успеха.
Agency.
Agency,
Агентство.
She owns a small agency.
she owns a small agency.
Она владеет небольшим агентством.
Rock.
Rock,
Рок. Скала.
He listens to rock music.
he listens to rock music.
Он слушает рок-музыку.
Condition.
Condition,
Состояние.
The car's condition was terrible.
the car's condition was terrible.
Состояние машины было ужасным.
Chemistry.
Chemistry,
Химия.
Chemistry is my favorite subject.
chemistry is my favorite subject.
Химия мой любимый предмет.
Translator.
Translator,
Переводчик.
He works as a translator.
he works as a translator.
Он работает переводчиком.
Dependent.
Dependent.
Зависимый.
She is dependent on him.
She is dependent on him.
Она зависима от него.
Apologize.
Apologize.
Извиняться.
I apologize for my mistake.
I apologize for my mistake.
Я извиняюсь за свою ошибку.
Skirt.
Skirt.
Юбка.
She bought a new skirt.
She bought a new skirt.
Она купила новую юбку.
Financially.
Financially.
Финансово.
He supported her financially.
He supported her financially.
Он поддерживал ее финансово.
Robot.
Robot.
Робот.
The robot cleaned the floor.
The robot cleaned the floor.
Робот убрал пол.
Sales.
Sales.
Продажи.
Sales increased during the summer.
Sales increased during the summer.
Продажи выросли летом.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Идеальный.
Nobody is perfect in everything.
Nobody is perfect in everything.
Никто не идеален во всем.
Reliable.
Reliable.
Надежный.
He is a reliable friend.
He is a reliable friend.
Он надежный друг.
Seriously.
Seriously.
Серьезно.
She took the news seriously.
She took the news seriously.
Она восприняла новости серьезно.
Independent.
Independent.
Независимый.
She became independent very early.
She became independent very early.
Она рано стала независимой.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Сумасшедший.
This idea sounds completely crazy.
This idea sounds completely crazy.
Эта идея звучит безумно.
Deep.
Deep.
Глубоко. Глубокий.
The lake is very deep.
The lake is very deep.
Озеро очень глубокое.
Task.
Task.
Задача.
I completed the task today.
I completed the task today.
Я выполнил задачу сегодня.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Удобный.
This chair feels very comfortable.
This chair feels very comfortable.
Этот стул очень удобный.
Nervous.
Nervous.
Нервный.
He felt nervous before speaking.
He felt nervous before speaking.
Он чувствовал себя нервным перед выступлением.
Salary.
Salary.
Зарплата.
Her salary increased last month.
Her salary increased last month.
Ее зарплата выросла в прошлом месяце.
Tourist.
Tourist.
Турист.
Every tourist needs a map.
Every tourist needs a map.
Каждому туристу нужна карта.
Unimportant.
Unimportant.
Неважный.
This detail is completely unimportant.
This detail is completely unimportant.
Эта деталь совсем не важна.
Close.
Close.
Близкий.
We have always been close.
We have always been close.
Мы всегда были близки.
Client.
Client.
Клиент.
The client approved our proposal.
The client approved our proposal.
Клиент одобрил наше предложение.
Among.
Among.
Среди.
She was among close friends.
She was among close friends.
Она была среди близких друзей.
Design.
Design.
Дизайн.
He studies graphic design now.
He studies graphic design now.
Он сейчас изучает графический дизайн.
Classmate.
Classmate.
Одноклассник.
My classmate helped me study.
My classmate helped me study.
Мой одноклассник помог мне заниматься.
Consider.
Consider.
Рассматривайте.
We must consider other options.
We must consider other options.
Мы должны рассмотреть другие варианты.
Shirt.
Shirt.
Рубашка.
He wore a blue shirt.
He wore a blue shirt.
Он надел синюю рубашку.
Community.
Community.
Сообщество.
Our community supports local projects.
Our community supports local projects.
Наше сообщество поддерживает местные проекты.
Surprising.
Surprising.
Удивительный.
His reaction was quite surprising.
His reaction was quite surprising.
Его реакция была довольно удивительной.
Violin.
Violin.
Скрипка.
She plays the violin beautifully.
She plays the violin beautifully.
Она красиво играет на скрипке.
Confidence.
Confidence.
Уверенность.
His confidence grew with practice.
His confidence grew with practice.
Его уверенность росла с практикой.
Transport.
Transport.
Транспорт.
Public transport is very convenient.
Public transport is very convenient.
Общественный транспорт очень удобен.
Sick.
Sick.
Больной.
He felt sick all day.
He felt sick all day.
Он чувствовал себя больным весь день.
Quality.
Quality.
Качество.
We guarantee high product quality.
We guarantee high product quality.
Мы гарантируем высокое качество товара.
Surgeon.
Surgeon.
Хирург.
The surgeon saved his life.
The surgeon saved his life.
Хирург спас ему жизнь.
Size.
Size.
Размер.
The size fits you well.
The size fits you well.
Этот размер тебе подходит.
Complain.
Complain.
Жаловаться.
She began to complain loudly.
She began to complain loudly.
Она начала громко жаловаться.
Clinic.
Clinic.
Клиника.
We went to the clinic.
We went to the clinic.
Мы пошли в клинику. На этом 21 часть завершена. Спасибо за просмотр. До встречи в следующей части.